Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EufyCam 2 with Eufy Security app, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have all the components ready for your EufyCam 2 setup. Begin by downloading the Eufy Security app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, tap on the Add Device option within the app. Select Camera from the list of available devices. Next, choose EufyCam 2 to ensure you are installing the correct model. Now, take your EufyCam 2 and power it on by pressing the power button. Once powered on, the camera will begin to blink a blue light, indicating it's ready for pairing. Return to the app and follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. You will need to enter your Wi-Fi password during this step. After entering the password, tap Connect and wait for the app to establish the connection. The app will notify you once the camera is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Next, you will be prompted to scan the QR code displayed on your app using the camera. Align the camera with the QR code for the pairing process to begin. Once the camera beeps and the light turns solid blue, it confirms a successful connection. Now, you can customize your camera settings like motion detection and notification preferences. Be sure to choose the optimal location for your camera to maximize its effectiveness. Mount the camera securely at your chosen location using the included mounting kit. Ensure the camera is positioned to cover the desired area without any obstructions. Once mounted, double-check the camera's view in the app to ensure it captures the intended footage. If satisfied with the placement, finalize any additional settings in the Eufy Security app. Lastly, regularly check your app for updates to ensure your camera operates smoothly. Congratulations, your EufyCam 2 is now fully installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.